Join us on an exclusive journey through the captivating world of Kristen Stewart's iconic hairstyles, trend-setting haircuts, and mesmerizing hair colors. In this comprehensive video, we delve into the evolution of Kristen Stewart's stunning looks, showcasing her diverse range of hairstyles and cuts throughout her career. From chic pixie cuts to glamorous long locks, we'll explore the secrets behind her ever-changing styles and the techniques used to achieve them. Get ready to be inspired as we reveal the step-by-step transformations and insider tips to recreate some of Kristen Stewart's most memorable hair moments. Whether you're a fan seeking hairstyle ideas or a beauty enthusiast looking for a touch of Hollywood glamour, this video is your ultimate guide to channeling Kristen Stewart's fabulous hair vibes. Don't miss out on discovering the essence of her captivating hairstyles, signature haircuts, and daring hair color choices that have set trends and turned heads worldwide.